Welcome back, friends. As our MERN JWT auth is completed successfully here, and we have also created the build directory of our front end, and we have joined that with the our backend here with the server. And now with this only we can run our application. So now the only pending task is to deploy this. So we will be using Heroku to deploy this, and we will be deploying our server part only because our front end is already connected with our backend. So now let's first of all you have to create the account on the Heroku. It is totally free and you can create the account here, and then we will go forward here. So you will come to this dashboard, and then now we will see how to create first of all our app here. So we will first of all create the app, then in that app we are going to deploy our all files here. So now without wasting any time, let's get into it. So now I have logged into my Heroku dashboard here. So here first of all we have to create one new app. Only 5 apps you can create in this free version. So here I'm creating the new app, and this app name will be MERN JWT. Okay, lowercase MERN JWT auth. So this will be there. So actually it is not available. Authentication. It is also not available. So let it be MERN JWT Authentication. So actually this name is not there. So MERN JWT tutorial. MERN JWT tutorial. So this should be good. Yeah, MERN JWT tutorial is available. So here United States, and then create the app here. So we are not going to create any pipelines here. So now here we are under the deployment tab here by default. So now here what we have to do, so we can use Heroku CLI, and we can connect to GitHub, or we can use a container registry, but we are going to use the Heroku CLI. So first of all you have to download this Heroku CLI here. So just click on this download and install the Heroku CLI. So this will bring you to this website, and here you have to download the Heroku CLI and you have to install it. So you can download for Mac, Windows, and as well as for the Ubuntu here. And there are many other installation methods. You can follow those and you can install this. So I have already installed here. So now how to check this? So see that here, let's go here, and first of all you have to restart a terminal after installing this. So here you have to write Heroku -v. So this will give you the version here. So this my version is 7.53.0 is there. So this will give you this type of version here. Now first of all let me move to the server directory here. So now I am under the server directory. So I'm under the server directory here. Now I can upload these files here. So now let's see how we can upload these files on the server here. So deploying the files on the server is very simple task here. So here first of all we have to log in our Heroku here. So I'm going to click on this Heroku login. I'm going to copy this and let's paste it here. So Heroku login. So using Heroku login, first of all we have to log into our Heroku account here. So actually this got stuck here. Yeah. So Heroku login is there. Now just ignore this warning here because this is just asking for the update. Now here I have to press any key to open the browser here. So I'm pressing any key here, so it will open the browser. So I'm going to copy this link. So just copy this link. I'm going to copying this and pasting it here. And press enter here. So just click on the login because I have already logged in here. So that's why I don't have to add any password or my email ID here. Yeah, I'm successfully logged in, and now I can close this and I can go here and see that here we are getting login done and logged in as Fullyworld web tutorials. That is my email ID. So we have done this successfully here. So let me close this. So now let's see the next steps. So next step is we have to create a Git here. We have to initialize Git repository, and then we have to add this to our remote here. So I'm going to copy this. First of all, let's initialize this. So I'm going to initialize Git initialize. So I have initialized the empty Git repository here. Then I have to add our this MERN app using the Heroku CLI as a remote here. So I have added this. So Git remote set Heroku is done here, and now let's move forward, and now we have to add the files to our Git repository, and we have to make the commit here, and then we have to push to the Heroku master here. So now let's move forward here. So here we will first of all add this git add dot sorry, actually we have to create gitignore file also here because we don't want non-modules to come here. So here I'm going to create one new file here, so that will be sorry, not here. So we will create under the server, and that file will be .gitignore. .gitignore will be there, and here what we want. So here we don't want non-modules here. So I'm going to write non/modules. And this will not be there, and the other thing, so that will be our .env. So .env will also not be there. So this I have created successfully here, and now I have to run my terminal again. So let's try git add dot. Sorry. So here I have to first of all move to the server here, and then git add dot. Now it is adding all the files here, and then here we are going to write git commit. For the app we are going to write the message, so that will be initial commit. This is done. Now we have to push to the Heroku master here, so we are going to write git push Heroku master. So it is doing all the stuff here, so it will take little time. So it is building the resource. It will download the, it will first of all resolve the node version, and it will download and install the node. So first time it will do that, and after that all the things it will do every time. So it is done successfully here. So now let's see if there are any changes on the dashboard or not. So now let's click on overview here. So see that we have deployment, and it is also deployed and it is built successfully. So now let's open the app here. So it is MERN JWT tutorial.herokuapp.com. So there is one application error. So what error is there? So we can show here. We can see here. So let's write this. So I'm going to clear this and let's write this. Heroku logs jail. So it will show all the logs here that are under the Heroku, and it will show the error also. So let's see the error. So error is that error is in the MongoDB connection here, because our MongoDB URL is under the .env only. So here I'm going to the .env. So I'm going to the .env here. So here I will not show you my password and this thing for the MongoDB, and this is our Mongo URI. So now we have to add this Mongo URI to our environment variables in the Heroku here. So I'm going to copy this. Mongo URI will be there. So let's see from where we can do this. So we have to go to the settings for our this particular app, that is MERN JWT tutorial, and then we are going to reveal our config variables, and here we are going to pass the key. So that will be the Mongo URI, and after that I'm going to copy this whole URI here. So let's copy this whole URI. So I'm going to copy this, and that URI I'm going to paste it here. So I have pasted it successfully here. Now simply click on add. So this will add the URI for you. Now let's take little time. It will take little time here. So we have configured this, and now let's refresh our app, and boom. See that we are not having any errors, and we have our app deployed successfully here. So here we can log in the user because our database is online, and we are using database online previously also. So here I'm going to write my Gmail. And here I'm going to write my password. So that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Just click on login. And see that here we are getting invalid email and password. So I have missed one thing in the email here, so that's why I was getting error. So here I'm getting you are logged in successfully, and now when I will go to the home page, so our app is working perfectly. So this we have built our MERN Stack app and using the JSON web token, and we have done the authentication here. So now you can use this authentication on your MERN Stack app, and you can create more creative things. So now this series has come to an end. So at last, thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment in comment section. I will definitely respond to that. At last, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next series or next tutorial.